So once you gain your learner's license, you are then able to do your driving, but you must be with a supervised driver. So they have to have a valid open license, and a license that is graded towards the vehicle that you will be driving. So therefore, if they have a manual license, they can sit in an automatic or a manual car with you. But obviously, if they have only an automatic license, a CA class license, that means they are only able to drive with you in an automatic car. So you need to check these things before you go out with family or friends, things like that. So let's do things by the book, making sure that people are doing right things by the law. Department of Transport, you must have a valid open licensed driver to be a supervised driver. The other option, of course, is to have a accredited driving instructor. So the bonus there is, and the incentive to go with an accredited driving instructor, is the fact that for the first 10 hours of driving that you do with an accredited driver, all of that is triple time. So 1 hour equals 3 hours when you do it with an accredited driver. So that's a little bonus and a little boost with regards to getting through your 100 mandated hours that you need to do as a requirement for gaining your driver's license in Queensland. If you go through an accredited driving school and a driving instructor, you get that triple time. So after you've done 10 hours with an instructor, that will equal 30 hours in your logbook. And speaking of logbooks, you can either do a written logbook, which they can give you at the customer service center at the Department of Transport. You can do that old school way, writing down in the actual logbook. Or of course you can jump online through any of the app stores, depending on your device, and grab the third-party app that is applicable for doing the 100 hours via an app. Most people these days, especially younger people, of course always have their phone with them. So it is the easier option to do and record the 100 hours and any driving that you do via the app, but either or is fine. Some people do both. They do a hard copy and do a digital version through the app, or you can do one or the other. Either way, Department of Transport will accept it. And I always say to people, you know, the 100 hours is a long process to get through. If you do a 10-minute drive to go down to the corner shop or anything around the block, make sure you record that 10 minutes. Every minute counts, because getting through that 100 hours for some people is very, very difficult. And if it's 10 minutes here and there, it all adds up. So make sure you always record every minute of every driving that you do once you get your learner's license, because, you know, the aim of the game is to get that 100 hours, getting that on-road experience. The more you drive, the more experience you get, and the closer you are again to gaining that freedom and getting your driver's license. So yeah, 100 hours, make a start, get going, and I wish you luck.